Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. Just give me a second. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 17th May till 23rd of May 2021. One card came out. Okay, just give me a pause. It just went. Yeah, the message came through as you're going to meet them. You're meeting them or meet them, but you're going to meet them. The one you're supposed to talk, the one you're supposed to be with, the one you are supposed to deal with, the communication or the meeting actually. So maybe some of you are going to meet them, whoever this is, okay? You also have Page of Swords energy here. Just communication, which is don't drag it. I feel like this is like the decision time. I feel like there are two wands and they're at cross, and seven is taking their one wand, which is about one action will be permanently manifested, Capricorns. So however it goes for you. You have one card, I talked about King of Cups, so there may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but there is a lot of emotional surprise I see, okay? So maybe you are getting it or you are doing it, and that's why this person is surprised actually, not confused, but surprised, okay? I feel like the energy is about don't know what to do, what next? Because it's going to be very clear. Something is going to be happening here, which is about taking a stand, which is about clarifying, which is about, this may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but this as an energy, I feel like a really, really emotional wave here. Meeting them and they're like, or planning on doing it, and this is like a very clear message as well, like this, and they're like, how, why, when, what? Basically the message is coming, what? The Chariot. Going to meet them, making a move here. Whereas decision, Cancerian might be, but the Chariot, I see a move, meeting them. So maybe in this time frame you're going to, but whose defenses are up. Seven of Wands energy, someone who is not yet ready or totally ready, because I feel they don't have water in their cup. I feel they don't have flame on their wand kind of energy. They don't know what action they need to take, because you are removing that one wand, which is about I'm taking my action, this is your turn, and they're like, I don't know. So someone might be, and this might be the energy that how to win over the situation, how to let them, their guards down, like defenses down, so that we can talk. You gotta meet them. They're saying again and again, meet them, okay? Look, there's also action. Someone cannot hold in, they need to say it. One person is on action, like they're doing action here, and I feel like this is you, Capricorn. Knight of Wands, there may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius as an energy form. I feel it's you. The one who wants to win over, they want to make a move here. Six of Wands energy. Most probably you're going to let the person crack up, which is about let them calm down, melt them down, and making a move, okay? I feel very strong that the fences will go down. You have Knight of Cups energy. This is, I feel like it's an apology, yes, but this is, I heard expectations. Whose expectations? There. And their expectation you are fulfilling. Page of Pentacles. This is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but it's you. I feel you're offering something. You're ready to offer them something worth, something that is possible, practical, and it is for the union, okay? Look, I talked about the one wand, and that's your Ace of Wands. That's my karma card, like karmic card, and this is what you're doing. You're taking your action, which is actually important. I feel like someone who is saying that, look, I know what I'm doing, and it's like you're making your own decision here, and it's like you're making your own move here, which is about an apology, which is also about Let's start. This is also proposal. This is also something that you are keeping in or holding in, and you know that they have, but they're shy, or they might not be telling you exactly. With the Page of Pentacles, they're going to be surprised, I'm telling you. Okay, whoever this is, whatever was a stop, like I'm hearing, this is it. This is it. I'm also seeing, actually hearing, how can you be so sure? So this is about possible the person who is looking at you is having that question in their eyes, or they're actually asking you, how can you be so sure? Okay, how can you be? How can? And that question, okay, and you have Four of Cups, an offer. But someone who is like, they don't know, they are confused, they are not surrendering possible because of the fact that something happened, like push and pull between you both last time. Because I know that you know them, because I know that the move that you're making is because of the fact that their defenses are up. Either you're doing it or you're receiving it. I feel like you're doing it. Maybe that's your astonished face here, Capricorns. And you're just sitting on the throne like, but this energy, you're not expecting from the person, or they are not expecting from you, and you're going to end up doing this. Meeting them, need to meet them, gotta meet them. Someone saying, I have to meet you, I have to meet you, okay? I feel the one energy over here is pretending, like kind of like a camouflage, not exactly accepting it, that yes, it's here. It's here, like, yeah, I know that. The feelings. There may be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It's cold enough to keep things to themselves, of making someone feel detached, kind of, okay? Two of Wands energy. Want to decide but not deciding, or unable to decide because of the fact. Okay, now there, I talked about two wands. I talked about in this reading, I don't know. Talked about two wands. Look, I just go with the flow. But this two of wands energy, someone who is not even prepared for something. You are not, or they are not. However, this is going to be presented. Okay, it's like I feel the one energy who is not prepared is going to be astonished and startled, messed up, because you are approaching them, or goes vice versa. And unexpected plan, unexpected meeting. I see here unexpected meeting. I don't know why I see very strong. It's like unexpected catch. Make good use of this time frame, especially though these are timeless, but make good use. There was a flip inside, right? Well, Thief. You know, you can check which reading I did prior. Gemini, I suppose. Yes. And they got the Thief reversed. Kind of, okay? It's still, I'm hearing unexpected. Someone who is not giving up on this connection, or someone who is saying that, I'm not letting this situation go like that. Not easy to break away from such energy. Now, it's not bad, it's nothing negative, it's just possible something that, you know, someone who is making things difficult for the other energy. But you know, like Capricorn belongs to Devil card, okay, in the tarot. So the energy is like, I want what I want. I want what I want. So it's not in a bad way though, it's just like confidence possible. So it's like, I'm going to make you realize that this is worth, this connection is worth, okay? Here I feel this is something thiefy, which is like someone gonna stole your heart, or you stole someone's heart, and that's why they're startled and astonished. or this happened. So it's like entry in someone's life or world. And this was happening, and the realization's happening now. Possible. Someone is on journey, en route, the journey. So long journey, slowly and steadily coming along. A journey of love or a journey of the situation. Gotta meet them. Journey. You need to take journey to meet them. Whether it's 2 steps, whether it is emotionally getting ready even, but it's physical. And you have the house, which is reverse though. I heard they never realized even. So how you want to take it as, but someone, I heard someone broke someone's house energy as well, okay? And unable to accept till date. Now this may belong to someone's past, yours or theirs. However, someone tried to take advantage of that time in order to influence someone, or in order to convince someone that I love you. So if that person was even single, it's unacceptable, because this happened like in a manipulative way. Someone was trying and not being truthful, and someone is not in the position to accept that, oh God, this happened actually, okay? However you take it as, like enchanted kind of energy. Like it's the energy of like entering in someone's home, okay? Later realizations, happily ever after. The energy is quite vibrant at some point in your current situation, which is happily ever after. Possible this is the offer which is going to make you that. It's also about security. It's also about feeling safe and not feeling like confined or not feeling like compact. It's like Rapunzel in the tower, and here you go, whether they are coming as a thief, but they stole your heart, or you stole someone's heart, brought back. So this brought back will be the communication. This brought back will be that I said so, I'm here, or someone was feeling like something that someone will bring back. The memories, love, the thing. They cannot stay away. They have to. They got to meet. They got to meet you. Love apple alert. The person doesn't want, but they're going to get it. I don't know whether you can see it. It's light in color though, but it's apple. It's love apple alert. It's also something like you shouldn't, like a devil energy, but it's alert, and someone eats it up. And now, oh my God, alert, siren, boom, 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 boom. You did it. It's also because telling me love apple alert, so possible someone who came earlier is coming again. Oh my God, this, okay, came earlier is coming again, and the key just flipped out of the deck. So in order to steal your heart, or in order to steal something, and they are bringing it again so that they can keep, this may be even someone who broke into, like in really, okay, which is of course goes with alert. You need to be alert. Who is coming in your life to do what? Who is keeping eye on what? It's so dramatic. Well, let's wind up with this reading from the Wild Unknown Tarot. But something will be brought back. Possible they are going to say, I stole your heart, that's my heart. I'm here to love you. If this is a love matter. If this is something else, they're going to bring it back. This could be thing, but there's also a lot of, oh my God, Ace of Cup. There's so many, I'm sorry, but there was Ace of Cup. Someone is meeting someone in the night, in the midnight kinds of energy, like it's a secret meeting, okay? And maybe it's a big house and no one is even aware. It's guarded, but they found a way. That makes sense. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. Daughter of Pentacles is going to be the way the deer jumps, like hop, 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 hop. Recording time 15:15. It's going to be hop, hop, hop. Okay? So the Daughter of Pentacles, which is Page of Pentacles, and you have this twice because you also have here Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It's you, honey. You're keeping an eye on someone, and it's like a purr. It's like a purr. So that kind of energy. It's like the deer is looking out with big eyes, okay, to someone. You're in love. You're in love, dear. Dear, dear, you're in love. Leaving the note as well, getting more or damn serious about something or someone. Death. Death is a Scorpio, but death is a rebirth, endings, beginnings. It's also, I heard, new skin. New skin on you. New skin, which is birth. New skin of love. After the pause, after the wait. That's all I have for you. Can I say this something? I heard like someone was thinking of creating a loss for someone or eating someone's happiness up, which got reversed. And they lost their own skin, or they lost their own thing here. Like it was like, I'm going to convince this person, but they got enchanted in reverse. And the other energy is like, and someone is in love with this nature, okay, and this thing, whatever it is, and they're startled. Take care. I love you, Capricorns. Bye.